Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to bring luggage on a Flixbus. So that's pretty much how you can add the baggage or you can add the luggage to your Flixbus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you get the Flixbus app? Pretty simple. Look, you can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Once you launch any of those applications, look at the search bar, and in the search bar of the apps, go ahead and type Flixbus and just follow through the on-screen prompts to download and install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to bring luggage or other baggage on a Flixbus. So you can add a luggage if you're allowed to add a luggage during your booking process. All right, because not all stations can provide the option for you to add extra luggage. It's just as you come, it's just automatic. Whatever thing you come with, it's just provided there. But here's how you can add a luggage after booking. So from this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have this icons: booking, ticket, stops, and more. Now click on tickets. So once you click on the ticket, it's going to take you to this window where you can now manage all your bookings. All right. So go ahead and select the tickets that you want to add a baggage to. So once you select the ticket, all right, at the bottom corner of that, the bottom right corner of that ticket, you're going to find the three dots menu. Select the three dots menu at the bottom right corner of your ticket, and it's going to show you a wide array of options. Now, from the options, go ahead and select cancel/change trip. So once you click on cancel/change trip, it's going to take you to another set of options, another window where you have more options. And in the options, you're going to find reserve/change seat, add baggage, change departure date and time, cancel trip, edit and remove passenger. So select add baggage. Now, once you select add baggage, then you can now add your luggages or add baggages attached following the on-screen instructions you're going to find. Now, the instructions are self-explanatory, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So that's all about that. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.